Prison sounds like the worst campsite you ever pitched your tent on by mistake. Noise pitches like the Hull to Rotterdam ferry when United are playing Ajax away. Prison sounds like a kicked door in a bad dream. The forgotten magician's assistants left inside locked wooden crates on darkened stages. Adidas drum beats, a samba rhythm. Prison sounds like a house without a doorbell. D-wing gate! C-wing staff! Medication! Inside voices when you're inside. All voices are turned up to 11. Prison sounds like the angry drunken man you'd cross 100 streets, whole towns to avoid. Or it can rumble like all of the music swirled together. Gangster rap, death metal, and the nostalgic love songs that remind you of who isn't here. Prison sounds like the FA draw for the FA Cup. The daily click, click, click of pool balls. Prisoner E4981JE will be away at Oakwood. But then, on other days, prison sounds like nothing at all. Like the emptiness of distant space, it sounds like the surprise and silence of a dropped clock that's forgotten how to tick. Or it whispers, like playing hide and seek as a kid, your own breath, loud in your ears. Still, waiting. And a nagging fear that everyone else went home and perhaps you'll never, ever be found.